Are you interested in unique kinetic gadgets that combine art and mechanics in a fascinating way? Join us for an engaging adventure as we introduce you to 12 such gadgets. These include mesmerizing rolling ball sculptures and gravity-defying perpetual motion machines that are sure to pique your curiosity and leave you wanting more. 1. DIY Wooden Marble Run Mode Dragon. Dive into the world of hands-on creativity with the DIY Wooden Marble Run Mode Dragon. This wooden puzzle kit is not only a satisfying construction project, but also an enthralling marble run. With 260 components and 15 marbles, it's perfect for adults and teenagers looking for a unique challenge. The best part? No tools or adhesive are needed. You can jump right into assembling it using the included components and easy-to-follow instructions. Once complete, a hand crank sets the marbles in motion, guiding them through an intricate maze. Crafted from sustainable wood, this dragon measures 18.2 by 21.5 by 12 centimeters, providing hours of engaging entertainment. 2. Wooden Puzzle Clock Model. Experience the perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality with the Wooden Puzzle Clock Model. This 168-piece wooden puzzle isn't just about telling time, it's also a stunning wall clock that adds a touch of vintage charm to any room. Laser-cut stars, suns, and geometric carvings make this clock an eye-catching piece of decor. You can adjust the calendar using 3 rotary gears, allowing you to showcase the date. When you've assembled this beautiful clock, you can easily hang it on your wall using the provided nails and hook. It's a fantastic family project that offers hours of creative fun for everyone. 3. Large 3D Galaxy Crystal Ball Nightlight. Illuminate your room with the mesmerizing large 3D Galaxy Crystal Ball Nightlight. This unique lamp, made through a 3D engraving process, is a work of art crafted from high-quality K9 crystal materials. The advanced 3D laser engraving technology creates vivid and clear interior images that make it a perfect gift for friends of all ages. With a wooden base, it's not only durable, but also adds a touch of elegance to your decor. You can easily control the lighting color modes with the included remote control, creating a calming and warm ambiance in your bedroom or living space. A thoughtful gift for any occasion, this crystal ball light is sure to impress. 4. Fidget Toys Cube Metal Spinning Toy. Say goodbye to stress and restlessness with the Fidget Toys Cube Metal Spinning Toy. Crafted from high-quality brass, this fidget spinner offers stable, wobble-free rotation. Its detachable parts make it easy to carry and perfect for pockets, handbags, or briefcases. Whether you're dealing with stress, anxiety, ADHD, or simply need a tool to help you focus, this spinner has got you covered. It's not just for kids, adults can benefit from it too, even aiding in breaking bad habits. Plus, customer satisfaction is a top priority, so you can expect premium quality and support. 5. Titanic Cruise Ship Model Liquid Wave Cruise Ship Decoration. Experience the legendary story of the Titanic like never before with the Titanic Cruise Ship Model Liquid Wave Cruise Ship Decoration. This concept captures the moment just before the Titanic encounters an iceberg, but in this version, the ship doesn't sink. The high-quality acrylic exterior and intricate liquid motion inside create a mesmerizing display. Shake the drift bottle and watch the small boat navigate the waves, offering a moment of tranquility. It's a fantastic gift for fans of all ages and adds a unique touch to home decor. Whether for family, friends, or special occasions, this gift is sure to be a hit. 6. Dragon Lamp Dragon Nightlight for Kids. Light up your space with the Dragon Lamp Dragon Nightlight, a delightful and advanced lighting solution. This dragon-themed lamp boasts 14 colors and warm white light, making it a versatile choice for various settings. The innovative design includes a physical key and a remote control, making it easy to use and customize. With a built-in battery case, it can function for 24 to 72 hours or use external 5-volt DC power for continuous operation. Whether you're a child, adult, or elder, this dragon lamp offers practicality, making it an excellent gift for family and friends. It's more than just a lamp, it's a piece of art and a reliable light source. Before we move on to the next mind-blowing gadget, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech discoveries. 7. Garden with Boat Bridge Japanese Sensors Set. Enter a world of tranquility and creativity with this Japanese sensors set. With a diameter of 9.4 inches, it offers various options to create your very own garden, making it the ideal DIY project. Beyond being a unique decor piece, it serves as a stress reliever, allowing you to find inner peace as you arrange the garden elements. Embrace the Zen Buddhist principle and contemplate as you create your serene oasis. 8. Hot Air Stirling Engine Motor. Get ready for a fascinating display of power with the Hot Air Stirling Engine Motor. This 4-cylinder engine is not just a visual marvel, but a powerful one as well. With the voltage reaching 4 to 9 volts, the flywheels spin rapidly, creating a mesmerizing light show as the LED lights flicker. The fine craftsmanship featuring brass and special treatment materials ensures long-lasting operation without wearing out. Operating it is a breeze. Simply fill the alcohol burner, light it, and watch the engine run continuously for over 8 hours. With its substantial weight, it stays stable on any surface, making it a fantastic gift for science projects, learning, and more. 9. Solar Magnetic Levitation Model. Marvel at the magic of magnetic and solar power with the Solar Magnetic Levitation Model. This mesmerizing model requires no manual, making it easy to set up and operate. As you position it under a light source, the rotor begins to rotate. The stronger the light, the faster it spins, thanks to the solar power's generating power. It's a unique ornament that combines magnetic and electrical fields, offering an entertaining display. 10. The mesmerizing Kinetic Wind Spinner. Step into the world of kinetic art with the mesmerizing Kinetic Wind Spinner, an original piece that transcends the ordinary. Crafted from durable steel, it's suitable for both indoor and outdoor settings. Whether you hang it in your garden, patio, or even from the ceiling, it adds an element of elegance and calm. Inspired by mathematical concepts, this art piece creates waves with precise angles, resulting in a beautiful rotational wave motion. 11. Crystal Twister Premium Dice Tower. Elevate your tabletop gaming experience with the Crystal Twister Premium Dice Tower. This clear acrylic tower offers a unique dice rolling experience that adds an extra layer of excitement to your games. It's easy to assemble and comes with a sleek design that complements any gaming setup. Let the dice roll down through the tower's twists and turns, creating an element of suspense and anticipation. Say goodbye to haphazard rolls and hello to fair and fun gaming. 12. HypnoCube 4-Cube Animated Light Sculpture. Immerse yourself in a mesmerizing world of color and light with the HypnoCube 4-Cube, an animated light sculpture. It features 64 3-color RGB LEDs, each capable of displaying 4,096 colors, and offers over 51 basic visualizations with 10 plus transition effects. The dynamic palette morphing and color randomization ensure that no two displays are the same, creating a unique visual experience. This cube isn't just a static sculpture, it's a constantly evolving work of art that you can place on your desk or as a captivating decor piece. If you enjoyed this collection of gadgets, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with the latest trends in technology and innovation. Thank you for being a part of our tech-savvy community.